I went on a search to find my top 5 free platforms to learn data analysis to find out which ones have the best value for free. Now, I know there are many platforms out there that have free introductory courses on some aspects of data analysis and data science. The only challenge is they're mostly behind a paywall. But there are other platforms where you can get access to their top quality courses for free. Now, the only caveat, and yes, there is a caveat, is if access to graded materials, exams, unlimited access to course materials, as well as a shareable certificate upon completion is a big deal for you, then this video is probably not for you. Just go to any platform of your choice and pay or subscribe and take your course. But if all you care about is the knowledge that you would gain, which I think should be priority, then stick around to find out which platforms I'm going to talk about today. What's up guys, Wally here, welcome back to the channel. Starting at number 5 at the bottom is a website I recently came across while researching contents for this video. It is a platform where you can learn programming absolutely free. And I couldn't believe my eyes when I came across this. It's called Exizim.org. And it says here that you can develop fluency in 57 programming languages, including Python and R. Now, I haven't really taken any of these courses to get a feel of it, but I see here that each language has a bunch of exercises that you can use to practice and master concepts. So if you've been meaning to learn programming or Python for that matter in a less pressurized environment, then you can check out Exizim.org. At number 4, we have a platform called FreeCodeCamp. Now, FreeCodeCamp is a website with over 8,000 courses in data science for free. Now, most of the content are software development related, but it has some really good materials on data analysis and SQL. So on FreeCodeCamp, you learn by doing projects. For example, in the SQL courses, you have projects like learn relational database by building a Mario database, or learn SQL by building a student database, and so on. The Python courses also follow a similar fashion. You have projects to really help you gain enough practical experience to really master and understand data analysis with Python. It doesn't require you to sign up, although you may need to in order to save your progress. And number 3 is this Microsoft platform called Microsoft Learn. It is mind-blowing to see this array of free courses on Microsoft tools from Azure to Office 365 to Microsoft Teams and Power BI. This powerhouse of a platform contains a plethora of courses related to data analysts, data engineers, data scientists, database administrators, and developers. It's amazing to see that each role has its own professional certificates and its own learning paths. And if you choose data analyst, for example, you would find courses on Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate. If you go ahead to select that and scroll down a little, you'll find that there are 2 ways to complete your learning path. Either you choose an online, which is free, or an instructor-led, which is paid. Of course, for the purpose of this video, choose online free option and off you go. I haven't really taken any courses here, but I get a sense that they are well made and really good. Please let me know in the comments if you have taken any of these courses from Microsoft and if they are really good. The second platform here is EDX, and EDX has been around for such a long time. So before platforms like EDX, if you were to take a course, say from Harvard or MIT, you will not only require thousands of dollars in tuition, but also cost of travel and accommodation. But now that barrier of cost, location, and access has been removed, meaning anyone from anywhere in the world has access to the over 2,000 free courses on EDX. Now, a simple search for data analysis will return hundreds of courses that can be audited for free. And what is interesting is that EDX puts this audit option in plain sight, and you don't have to be on the lookout for it, unlike some other platforms where the audit option is hidden, which I'm going to get to in a minute. But here you have it in plain sight, and you can just go in there and audit the course for free. Of course, if you choose the audit option, you won't have access to a certificate and an unlimited access to the course material. But I guess, again, the most important thing here is the knowledge that you would gain. So the first platform here is Coursera, and Coursera is the largest massive open online course provider. Coursera has over 10,000 courses on its platform, for which most can be audited for free. But the option to take them for free is not as straightforward as you would think. It's usually hidden in plain sight. But today I'm going to show you. So there are 3 types of materials on Coursera. You have a course, a specialization, and a professional certificate. A course is just a single course, while both specialization and professional certificates consist of multiple courses taught together. You also have degree programs, which usually are offered by big institutions, and those ones cannot be audited for free. But when you decide on a course to take, for example, say an Excel for business, and you enroll for free, once you click on enroll for free, it takes you to a window that asks you to select your plan. But if you look closely, you would find audit the course at the bottom of the window. Now, what Coursera does is that they move this option around a little bit. So if you don't find it at the bottom of your screen, you can find it, somewhere else in that window. Once you click on audit the course, then you are given access to the course, and that's it. For specializations and professional certificates, it is the same, but a few extra steps is added to the process. So for specializations that have several courses, if you just click on enroll, you will not find the audit course option because it's a specialization. What you need to do is to navigate to the individual courses in the specialization and then enroll for them separately. Once you enroll individually, you will then be able to see the audit course option and then select it. Mind you, not all professional certificates have courses that can be taken individually. For example, I tried to use this method on the Google Data Analyst Professional Certificate, and it didn't work. But I was able to find some courses from the IBM Data Analyst and Data Science Professional Certificate that I could take individually. So go in there and search for courses that you love to take, and then look for that audit the course option. All right, that's the video, guys. Just to recap, at number 5, we have xism.org. At number 4, we had FreeCodeCamp. At number 3, we have Microsoft Learn. At number 2, we have EDX, and at number 1, we have Coursera. So links to all these platforms will be in the description below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.